In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set your WordPress homepage the easy way. A homepage is the first thing visitors see, so let's make sure it's set up right. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Head over to wordpress.com and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left menu and click on Settings, then choose Reading. Here you'll see the option for your homepage displays. By default, it's set to latest posts. If you want a more professional website look, switch this to a static page. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the page you'd like as your homepage. If you haven't created it yet, make a new page first. Once selected, scroll down and click Save Changes. And that's it. Your WordPress homepage is officially set. Refresh your site to see how it looks and adjust anytime you want. Simple, fast and effective. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials.